In this video, we're gonna make our 3-cup tofu dish, which is a vegetarian dish. First, we add our cooking oil. Then we're gonna put our tofu in and brown it. Medium heat. Once all the tofu are sort of brown, we're gonna set it aside. In the same wok, we're gonna add some sesame oil. And then we're gonna add some chopped ginger. We're gonna fry it until we could smell the nice aroma of ginger. And then some chopped garlic. Again, fry it again. Make sure you don't burn it. And then a tablespoon of sugar. Make sure your heat is low. And you're going to caramelize this sugar. Looks like the sugar has been well caramelized. Now we're gonna return the tofu back into the wok. And then we're gonna give it a little stir. I could smell all the yumminess already. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon each of regular soy sauce and dark soy sauce. And then 2 tablespoons of rice cooking wine. And then give it a stir. And then cover it until it's simmered. Now we're gonna add some cornstarch slurry, which is about 3/4 tablespoon and about a quarter to a half a cup of water. Add that in there. And then give it another stir until it thickens. Of course, this is depending on how thick you want your dish would be. And you need more slurry if you want it thicker. Then add a handful of chopped basil. Give it another stir. We are serving this over white rice. So if you're new to this channel is about food, fun, and some travel, and my take of cooking. So please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye!